Looking for Harry Potter handbags and wallets for this Christmas? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Harry Potter Hogwarts Crest Mini Satchel Handbag with Charm by Harry Potter. Number 2, the game is over when you catch the golden Snitch. And now you can catch the Snitch with this Harry Potter crossbody bag. The Harry Potter accessory is a Pooh material red crossbody bag with a golden Snitch embellishment, another great product by Harry Potter. Number 3, tap the Marauder's map with your wand and recite these words. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Hobo style bag with a Marauder's map print, by Harry Potter. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.